If you have internet issues on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the internet doesn't work properly, then let me show you what you can do in order to try to fix these issues. So the first thing that we can do is go to settings and open connections. Now this might be obvious for some people, maybe even most of you, but we need to make sure that airplane mode is disabled, because sometimes it might be enabled for some reason, even by accident, and this can, of course, disable Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, if it's disabled, then we can proceed with next things. If you have issues with Wi-Fi, what you can do is simply turn off and turn on Wi-Fi over here, and try to connect to your Wi-Fi network again. If that doesn't help, we can go to Wi-Fi and open the settings of your Wi-Fi network, forget the network, and try to connect again by entering the password again, by signing in again. If the network is not here, but you have been connected before, you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner, go to advanced settings, and over here you can go to manage networks in order to find your network. So here you can choose it again and forget it as well, and then it might reappear on this list. The next thing that you can do, or actually if it's not the Wi-Fi issue but rather the mobile data issue, then in that case we can go to SIM manager. Over here we can make sure that the SIM card is enabled, I mean the SIM that we want to use, or eSIM, depending which one you use. And also make sure that mobile data over here is enabled, because it can be set to off, so we need to actually select which SIM we want to use for mobile data. And if that doesn't help as well, what we can do now is go back to the settings, scroll all the way down and go to general management. Over here we will find reset, and then in reset we have two options that we may want to use depending on whether this is the Wi-Fi issue or mobile data issue. So first we have reset mobile network, where we can choose which SIM should be restored to default settings. So you want to select your SIM over here if you have more than one, and then press reset settings. After that you want to go back to the SIM manager settings as we just did, and make sure that once again the SIM is enabled and that the mobile data is enabled. And if you have Wi-Fi issues instead of mobile data, then you want to go to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and then you simply press reset settings. Keep in mind that it resets both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you cannot separate it, and you will need to reconnect to both Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!